Welcome to our channel. Today we how to increase database performance with MySQL, detailed guide step by step clearly. To improve database performance with MySQL, start by analyzing your current setup. Evaluate your hardware specifications including CPU, memory, and disk speed. Use the show variables command to identify key configuration settings. Focus on the buffer pool size, as it significantly impacts performance. Adjust the InnoDB buffer pool size in your MySQL configuration file. Consider setting it to 70 to 80% of your total system memory for optimal performance. Next, examine your indexing strategy. Use the explain statement to analyze your queries. Identify any slow queries that lack appropriate indexes. Create indexes on columns that are frequently used in where clauses or join conditions. After optimizing indexes, look at your table structure. Normalize your database up to a certain level to reduce data redundancy. However, avoid excessive normalization that can lead to complicated joins. Review and optimize your queries. Rewrite complex queries to be more efficient. Utilize joins effectively but be cautious with the number of join tables. Take advantage of caching mechanisms. Configure the MySQL query cache to reduce the load on your database. Although query caching is not always the best solution for write-heavy operations, it can significantly improve read-heavy workloads. Monitor your database performance regularly. Use MySQL's performance schema to gather insights into resource usage. Consider implementing a monitoring tool to track performance changes over time. Next, keep your MySQL version up to date. Regular updates often include performance improvements. Perform regular maintenance tasks such as optimizing and analyzing tables. Use the optimize table command to reclaim unused space and improve performance. Finally, evaluate your database architecture. Consider partitioning large tables to improve query performance. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.